guys, this is my CS50 final project and I'm so excited to share this with you. Okay, so I built a web-based application for farmers basically to help them eradicate weeds from their farm, which is a major concern for many farmers. So let's dive right in. So if you come to the front page, you see welcome farmer, and you have opportunity to log in or register. Alright, so if the user is already logged in, you just go straight up to if user is already registered, you just go straight up to log in. If the user is already logged in, go straight to the dashboard. So let's see if we can register or log in a random person. Say okay, let's say Sharon and password, and just say log in. Let's see. Now Sharon is not in the database. Sharon has not registered, so we just have to register Sharon before we can have access to the information in this web application. So register and go straight to the dashboard. So it says welcome farmer, hello Sharon, welcome to the herbicide info app. So this application gives farmers information about what herbicides are and what they can be used for in various types of herbicides. So let's go straight into the app and see what it has to offer. Now this is an overview of what herbicides is, just in case the farmer is not aware of what herbicides mean. Now we have the importance of herbicides and the various types. So you can see over here, there is the non-selective herbicide and selective herbicide for farmers to see and know what they are used for. This is what this app actually has to offer. Farmers can go through it and see what it entails. And this is the front desk where you can reach me or contact anyone in this contact me through this number. And I have to incorporate JavaScript to be able to get this exercise down here. I have a knowledge check where farmers can just play around for them to familiarize themselves what selective herbicides mean and the examples. So the question here says the following are non-selective herbicides except one. So let's find out. So we have this. Oh, this is not correct. This is not correct. Let's check this and let's check this. So it turns green and says correct, using JavaScript to have this done. And if you come down here, I had to incorporate a website I saw online. So farmers can get more information in this website, ISAAA website that I found online. If you click here, it takes you straight to the website for further or more information. So everything about website is here. So farmers can go through and see what the website entails. So let's go straight back to the my own web application. So when the farmers have gone through what this app is all about, you can log out from here and take you back to the front page or index page. Thank you CS50 for this opportunity to learn JavaScript, Python and SQL, which were the building block for this final project. This is CS50. Thank you.